All right, you guys, what's going on today? Oh my god, I went to my local Target. I found brand new demo doubles for 2026 this year, guys. This is a new identity, which is Squidnado with the re-release battle damaged tiger shark. Very nice. I don't know why it's so dark in here. I'm sorry, guys. There it is. You put the flash. I'm sorry. Okay, there we go. Perfect. There it is. It was tiger shark Squidnado, new for 2026. Here's the back. Mostly re-releases, but the newest ones are these, which I want to get. The Dragon Hunters do, but bad thing is I have Dragonizer, I don't need it. Gotta get these two again. These two, I gotta get them again. So yeah, this is really cool. I love giant squids on monster trucks, I don't know why. Since the Kraken is my favorite from Monster Jam as well. Let's go ahead and open these bad boys. The box is already all weak already, because I don't know. They were all, the glue was weak and all these, I don't know why. Look how easy it is to open. Sort of. Not fully. Okay. We got the trucks out. This is like a Squidnado because it's a brand new identity. There it is, Squidnado. I love the giant pink squid. Dark blue rims and beadlocks. Purple roll cage. Like a dark bluish chassis. Look at that Squidnado with the tentacles. I love the squid on top. Look at that. That is so cool. Squidnado, Hot Wheels monster trucks. Another Squidnado name. Pretty cool. There's that one. And let's go to the Target, which we've seen, but I'll just show it anyways, because it's part of the double pack. Here's the battle damaged tiger shark with the scratches and the scars. Hot Wheels monster trucks, guys. I love the white roll cage and I love the gray chassis. It's the old Hot Wheels monster jam. Used to have those. Dark smoky gray or charcoal gray rims and beadlocks, black tires. The blood on it, pretty nice. So these are out now, guys, at Target. That's where I found them. By my house at Target. But this one is a new favorite to have for 2026. See when they make new ones, which they're going to be really cool. Like, subscribe, comment, share. One more. I got one more new truck box. One more new truck after this. Peace out. Hope you enjoyed.